here's the beginning of our snowstorm here in Mount Pearl, Newfoundland, and it's January the 10th, and it's 4:15 in the afternoon, so hopefully it don't get any worse than this. Just want to put up a little video just so that you can see what the weather is like here in Newfoundland now today, if anybody's worried or wondering about how we are doing here in St. John's, Mount Pearl. So far, not too bad. We have our vans put in the driveway so that if the snow comes down, we won't have too much shoveling to do. Might be a little idea for you. So far so good. If I can get some more videos for you, I will. And hopefully it won't get any worse than what it is.